Hello there guys, and today we're gonna try and kill people in Oil Warfare Tycoon. So yes, I hope you have fun. Yes, let's get to it. Yes, we'll be using the ghillie suit to snipe people. Oh, well, a foxtrot. Lemma. Need to find Lemma. Oh, we'll way up there. I'll come there and try and kill Lemma. So let's go. What? You guys saw that fall apart. That was weird. I have 12 million. Jesus. Start engine. Let's go. Woo. It's time. Destroy his shield. Oh god, he has much. Probably has the 10,000 shield on it. Get out. Yeah, boy, let's go. Oh wow, let's look for other people to destroy. Okay, this is enough. I can barely see the map, it's all the way over there. Get your weapons ready, we're firing. Uh-oh! Turn engine off. Oh shit! No! Oh, huh? What? I survived the crash! And there didn't even come a single cut! Oh, Jesus! Okay, never mind. Okay. Well, alright, I saw that. Okay, I saw that coming. And it disappears. Wow. Okay. Now I will... What? Base. Alpha. Just... I don't really say that's better. Wow. Okay, no swear words in this video. This is made for kids, but I'm still gonna make it so it's only for adults. Because there's still much blood in this game. Not that much, but still some. Okay, let's not take any ghillie suit on. Let's just keep it like this armor. But I still don't know how I survived in the helicopter back there. I'm ready. Let's go. Okay, start engine. Where did I go? How? Okay, I just hate this now. Now I need to like do real landings at people's bases. Seriously, now I won't just take their shield down. I'll just land at their base and hope for the best. Let's go, shall we? Okay, that's a drone. Someone killed someone with a drone. It's up there. I don't have one of these MEP guns, so E. You can actually kill people. Quit shooting! Jonish! Where are you? I keep seeing you, but I can't find you. I'm just going to spawn my hoverboard for the last time, because I really need to make a real landing now. And I will try my best to make the best landing. Helicopter, let's go. Let's go. I'll just shoot all the way. Okay, that's it. Main engine off. Engine off. Okay. Careful. Perfect landing. But sadly we can't kill him since his shield is on. So let's kill that. So yes sir. So I did all of that for nothing? Okay, that's it. I'm going to another place. Land. I need to land at Delta. No, another place at Delta. Okay. I'll land at over here. This is my neighbor. Hey, stop. Not too much time. Stop right there. Okay. Make a very good landing. Make me proud, helicopter. Perfect. Well, that's that. Time to try and go. Sadly, he's not in space. He's somewhere else. Oh, I hear shooting. And they're speaking Russian. Oh yeah, let's go. There. Stop. Oh! I just landed! What the frick? Just tried to land. Just touched the ground, then it exploded. I'm getting ready to kill people. Because there was one in the city. And I'm the closest one with that to be in the city. Let's kill him. Let's see him. Where are you? I can hear him, but I can't see him. Hey! There is... Hit! Kill! Let's go! Okay, that was just really cool right there. Well, yeah, third time's the charm, you know. Now let's go with generators. Die, generator. Last shot. This is a last shot. Ah, there. Broken. Let's go. My mission is done. Okay, retreat to base. Take the helicopter and retreat to base. Just gonna make this quick. I need to retreat to base. Get my helicopter and it's time to retrieve to base. Well done. You know what it goes. It's time to crash. Y'all ready? It's time to retreat. And stop. Time for the end of the video.